Alright artists, are you ready to draw something fun and cute? Today we're going to draw an ice cream cone with a cherry on top. Let's get started. First, let's start by drawing two little eyes. Just make two circles in the middle of your paper, not too big and not too small, just right. Maybe add a little spark in the eyes and let's color them. These eyes are going to make your ice cream extra friendly. Now, right under the eyes, let's give our ice cream cone some cute blush. Draw two tiny round shapes, one on each side. These will make your ice cream look like it's blushing. Next, let's draw a happy little mouth. Right between the blush, make a small curved line and add another one. Just like a smile. Now your ice cream is starting to come to life. Underneath the mouth, let's draw a soft little chin and add another curved line on both sides. You're doing great. Now, we'll continue by drawing the sides of the face. Start from the cheeks and draw two lines going down just a little bit. This will help shape the face of your cute ice cream. It's time to give your ice cream a cone. From the bottom of the face, draw two lines that go down to a point. It's like you're making a triangle shape. Let's go back up to the top and draw the ice cream. Start by making a bumpy wavy line on top of the head. We'll continue by drawing two curved lines on each side and add another two curved lines after that. Let's add the top. Now for the best part, the cherry on top. Start drawing a cute little circle. That's the cherry. Don't forget to add a small line at the top for the stem. You can even add a tiny leaf next to the stem to make it extra cute. Your very own happy, cute ice cream cone with a cherry on top. Isn't it sweet? You did such a great job. Thank you for being here. I hope to see you soon.